Today we're going to be unboxing this MiniVerse Make It Mini. It is the holiday food favorites. I know that the holidays are over, but I got this as a Christmas gift, so I thought I'd unbox it with you guys and check it out together. So the first thing I see is the Target bag here, which I think is adorable. It is so cute. Oops. And it's definitely great for Barbie size. So we'll put this in front of the girls. And then I'm assuming this is a mixing bowl or some sort of bowl. So I'm just going to take a peek inside. Yes, it is a beautiful mixing bowl. I thought this is actually pretty good quality. So there's that. And I'm guessing this is the cake plate. Yes, it is. And then we'll open this one here. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is exactly what I wanted. I think these are the cake pops. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cool. And the little sugars. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow. And then this has to be the icing on top. Yeah. That is really cool. And it comes with the pipe tip. So that's cool. And this here. Now, this is my first time collecting these. I've never truly collected. I mean, I have mini brands, so it's not like I don't have mini brands. This is my first time collecting the Make It Mini Target brand, or the MiniVerse Target brand. So I thought this was pretty cool. And then it also comes with, oops. It also comes with these stickers, which are very, very cool. Adorable stickers. Put them in here. And then the collector's guide. I am super stoked. And these are like really cool. I thought that's really cute too. And then the other side. That is very cool. That's adorable. The little mug with the, oh, that's cute. The little shopping cart with the different toys inside. This is very cool. So I'm assuming I have, I don't even know which one I have. Is it, like I have no clue which one I have. It's blue sprinkles. I don't know. Is it this one? Yeah, this is it right here. Oh, it's snowmen. Oh my gosh, that is really cool. Okay. And this is what I need to do to prep it. I just realized I took it out and show you. It also came with the white sugar icing, or the sanding sugar, I should say. So I did notice though, this is actually really funny. Well, I think it's a cute, funny mistake. This label is upside down, and then this one is right side up. So I thought it was supposed to go the other way, but then I realized it's actually upside down. So I thought that was a cute little mistake on their behalf. It doesn't bother me. I mean, I can always unwrap it and rewrap it if I have to, but I just love the jars that it came in. It's so cool. Very, very, very cool. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to film me assembling this cake pop, even though I really tried. I just had too many mistakes happen. I kept dropping them and had a little bit of a hard time with them. But I think they came out really cute in the end. I absolutely love the way they look. And it just puts a smile on my face. It is so much fun. It was a little bit tedious for me because I don't have steady hands yet, but other than that, I had a really good time making this, and I would definitely do it again. So if I do get another set, I would definitely do something with them. I think I have one more Make It Mini brands from Target that I'm going to be attempting to film. But for right now, I'm going to end it here because I am actually on my way to start dinner and then spend the rest of the evening with my family. So I'm going to stop it here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.